Hey foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious pineapple fritters recipe. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start by making our batter. To some all-purpose flour, I'll be adding salt, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and baking powder. You want to mix that well to combine and set aside. Next, I will come in with some crushed pineapples. After that, I will add 1 egg and some vanilla. Then I will come in with some whole milk. And once all the ingredients are added, you want to mix very well to combine. You should form a super soft sticky dough once you are done. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in my description box. Now to my preheated skillet, I will add my fritters in there. You want to make sure you're cooking these on low and slow heat because they have a tendency to burn really fast and you want them to cook all the way through. So make sure you're cooking them on low heat, and once they're brown on one side, flip them over and allow them to cook evenly on the other side. Once you're done, remove, set aside, and carry on with the same process until you're all done. So this is how they were looking once they were done. You want to allow these to cool down completely before we add a nice delicious glaze to them. So to make the glaze, I'll be using some powdered sugar and pineapple juice. Like I said, I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I used in my description box. So you will just mix them to your desired texture. If you want a super thick glaze, you will add less liquid. If you want your glaze just nice and runny, you will add, a little more. Just do it the way you desire. So this is how it was looking once I was done. And yeah, we'll go ahead and start glazing the fritters. And here you have it, my version of pineapple fritters. These were so amazing, I cannot find words to describe it. It was kind of like a donut, but way better, much more flavorful. Once I broke into it, it was so pillowy soft and perfectly cooked. You could see all the pineapples in there, and it was just chef's kiss. I can't wait for y'all to try this. I had to serve mine up with some vanilla ice cream, and that took it over the top. So if you're looking for something sweet but not too sweet, just a mild sweet, this is the perfect recipe for you. Like I said, give it a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.